Welcome to our Wokwi simulation tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn how to simulate interfacing a TUC16 LCD liquid crystal display with Arduino using Wokwi. The TUC16 LCD is a popular display module used in Arduino projects. Today, we'll simulate how to display text on the LCD using Wokwi's powerful simulation platform. To get started, head over to Wokwi.com and open the Wokwi Arduino Simulator. Create a new project and select the TUC16 LCD from the components list. Now, let's virtually wire up the LC with the Arduino. Click and drag the components onto the breadboard and connect the pins as shown in the diagram. Ensure you connect the correct power and ground pins, and also connect the data pins to the corresponding digital pins on the virtual Arduino. With the LCD wired up, let's write the virtual Arduino code to display text on the LCD. We'll use the Wokwi built-in editor. Great. Now let's run the simulation and see the text displayed on the LCD. One of the best features of Wokwi is that you can interact with your virtual Arduino. Try changing the text in the code and see how the LCD responds. Congratulations! You've successfully simulated the TUC16 LCD with Wokwi. The simulation platform allows you to experiment and test your Arduino projects virtually. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to explore Wokwi further and try out more exciting simulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Wokwi-related content.